The Evans Family Law Group, providing a full spectrum of family law services.
In the family law universe, there's really four kinds of cases. There's the kinds that we would call agreed or uncontested cases, meaning the parties are able to work things out mutually to an amicable resolution. Uncontested, meaning that the other party simply isn't contesting the case, so it in a way is an agreed or an amicable resolution. The other possibility is where the parties go to what's called a mediation or a mediated resolution, where a neutral attorney guides the parties through a negotiated process to assist them in coming to an amicable resolution. Sometimes it's a half-day resolution, sometimes it's a full-day mediation. But in the right circumstances, under the right frame of mind, mediation is a very successful tool to help resolve cases amicably. There's also what's known as the collaborative law model. The collaborative law model is kind of similar to a mediated model where the parties each have their own attorneys, but they use mental health professionals and they use financial neutrals to help guide them through a series of meetings that have specific agendas where the parties take notes and minutes. And the idea is to have a transparent, negotiated process that the parties agree by signing the agreement, and the Family Law Code recognizes can't be used in court. And so over a series of meetings, the parties work through their issues and discuss openly and transparently to try to essentially to try to come to a negotiated resolution. The other version, if you will, is simply where the parties can't do any of those things. They're unable to put themselves in that frame of mind, or simply it just makes more sense. It's just the right thing to do under the circumstances. You have to litigate. And litigation involves courts, it involves hearings, evidence, and trial. And so that's essentially the four types of cases. We handle them all here. I'm certified in the training. I've been at the training for the collaborative law model. I've handled collaborative cases. I've probably handled more than 50 cases at mediation, and we've done tons and more than 100, if not hundreds, of cases where parties have agreed to the terms of their divorce, and we've certainly handled plenty of cases that are litigated in the courtroom. I've handled over 100 jury trials, and we're certainly capable of handling any type of case that you have in that spectrum.
When life's path takes an unplanned turn, call the Evans Family Law Group for a consultation at 628-2550.